Hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. So this is a journal of reading till mid of April. So we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy and we will see what the outcome will be, okay? So right now your partner's energy is Nine of Cups. I feel like your partner is feeling very happy to get you. I feel like they are treating you as their wish fulfillment. There is something that is making them very happy because right now they are going through a phase of wish fulfillment, happiness and beautiful energy of hope and positivity. Right now your partner is in very happy zone and they are kind of seeing you as their wish fulfillment, okay? Or they're in this happy zone of having a love relationship with you. I don't know what is that, but right now your partner is in happy go lucky energy and they are feeling really very happy in their life, okay? How they see you? They see you as a hanged man. They feel like you are not doing anything in this relationship, you are not revealing your true feelings towards them, or there is something secretive about you that you are not revealing to them. But what I feel is your partner feels like you're stuck somewhere and your energy is stagnant. You are not responding maybe well to them, or you are not taking the initiative to talk to them or to conversate with them. I feel like your partner is seeing you in different perspective as they used to be, because they feel like you were this kind of person, you are this kind of person, but now they are feeling like no, you are not that kind of person. What they thought about you, you are something very different. Now they are having a different perspective towards you, or they are feeling like now your perspective towards them have changed and things are changing for the better. This is what is happening, okay? How they see this relationship, what they feel about this relationship, I can say. This is the High Priestess. They feel this relationship as a very divine connection, a soulful connection, and there is something that is very beautiful and unique about this relationship that they feel. Okay, they feel like this relationship is somewhere down the line, connected to souls, connected to two souls. You can also say the twin flame energy is there, or you can say that's something spiritual that sometimes she or he feels like they don't want to tell you everything. You just pick it up and you just feel what they want to say and you reveal it to them, or you say it to them before they say it to you. This is the kind of soul connection they are feeling for you right now, okay? And what they want from this relationship, they want to reconcile. If you guys are separated by any chance, they want to reconcile with you, or if you guys are together, they want to celebrate this relationship with you. They want to have a long term committed relationship with you. That is what they want from this relationship. They want to celebrate life with you, basically, Scorpio. They want to have a beautiful energy of celebration, love, and putting some work or reconciliation towards you, okay? The outcome from their side is the Lovers. I feel like there is something related to Gemini. I think this person could be a Gemini as well, in the other sense, I can say. So the Lovers is like Scorpio, your partner is making a decision to be with you. Now they are seeing you in some different perspective. Now they are ready to put in the effort. Now they want to celebrate life with you. Now they love you. Okay. Now they have took the decision that yes, I want this Scorpio in my life. I can't be without this person. Now they are very clear about their intentions. I clarified the Lovers, the outcome. So I get the Page of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the Emperor. The Page of Pentacles to me is some kind of offer coming towards you, Scorpio, and the Six of Pentacles is equal give and take, because the Lovers card is clarified by these cards. So basically, they are loving you. They took the decision to stay with you. Now they are ready to give you this offer. Now they are ready for the equal give and take, and the Emperor is a very solid and committed relationship coming towards you. Very solid and committed energy coming towards you, Scorpio. Be ready for that, okay? Now coming to you, you are the Fool. So your energy is of the Fool, so you are also ready to take the risk or take the leap of faith with this particular person, or with this in this particular relationship. So right now you don't know, Scorpio, to be very honest. You don't know where this relationship stands. So you are taking this risk of taking this relationship forward. So you are taking this risk of you know uh, uh, taking this risk of trusting this person, believing in this person, or taking this relationship to the next level with this person. You are on the risk, okay? You are taking a risk with yourself, Scorpio. I can understand that, okay? And but you see how you see your partner. You see your partner as something very beautiful, very victorious, who has a name in the society, who can do anything that they want in their life. Very passionate. You feel like this is a trophy for you. So you feel like you have won something if you are with your partner. Okay, you see your partner in a very very beautiful energy, in a very very passionate light, and you feel like your partner is kind of very intelligent and determined and honest person, or and they are doing really well in their career, to be very honest. Okay, how you feel about this relationship? The star, you feel you are very very optimistic and positive about this particular relationship. This is the seven chakras card, so this is a very very beautiful star shining in between the yellow color star. This is hope, this is faith, this is beauty, this is opening up of heart chakra, I can say. This is healing, some kind of healing is going on inside your heart, Scorpio, and you are very very optimistic and positive about this particular person in your life and about this relationship. You are feeling like yes, eventually this relationship will work out. Maybe your past relationship doesn't work out, and you are really hopeful that this relationship will work out, because I feel like you are very very positive and hopeful towards this particular person or particular relationship. What you want from this relationship? This is a five of wands energy. You want to come out of the inner conflict that you are going through. Maybe you had a conflict with your partner, with this particular person whomsoever you are connected with. You had a conflict with them, and now you are ready to resolve it. Now you want to come out of this conflicting energy, to come out of this negative energy. That is what you want from this particular person or relationship. The outcome from your side is a four of pentacles. Although you want all the beautiful things with this particular person, you are holding back, Scorpio. I feel like you're not revealing your true intentions to them. You are not revealing your feelings to them. You are feeling like, okay, although I want a new start, I want a new beginning with this person, but I am not going to reveal anything to them, not going to say I love you to them, maybe not going to say okay, I also want you in my life. Maybe you are just seeing this person and you are trying to control your emotions. You are trying to hide your emotions, or control your emotions, you can say. But what I feel is this is not the right thing to do, Scorpio. If you really want this person in your life, I feel like you're taking a step back, you're analyzing everything. Although you are ready to have a new beginning with this person, but you are holding back because you are feeling like, what if this person also hurts me, and what if he walks away like the other person? I don't know what kind of fear is it, but you are in a fearful zone right now. So the outcome from your side is a four of pentacles. You're holding back your emotions. So I clarified the four of pentacles, the outcome. So the sun, it is clarified by the sun, the queen of wands in reverse, and the king of cups. So the sun is the childish energy. I feel like you are feeling very very good, very very optimistic, very very positive. You are feeling very very passionate like a child in this relationship about this particular person, but you are holding back. This is the queen of wands in reverse, is telling me lack of enthusiasm, lack of optimism, lack of trust. So what you are doing is, you are feeling optimistic, you are feeling hopeful, you are feeling happy that this person is in your life, but at the same time you are feeling okay, like holding back. You are feeling less enthusiastic. You are not trusting this person completely. Okay, and the king of cups, what you are trying to do is, you are trying to hold the emotion. You are trying to, not to be overly emotional with this person. You are feeling like, okay, I will take a risk with this person, but right now I'm not in this mode of telling them that I love them, or telling them that you are my life, or only you can be with me, or whatever it is. But you are holding back, and because uh, this is childlike innocence that you are carrying towards this person, Scorpio, because you had a past bad experience with somebody. That is why you are doing all this, I can understand. Okay, so this is till the mid of April. Okay, the bottom of the deck is the five of cups. So Scorpio, I feel like love is present in your life. This person is completely into you. This person is ready to give you commitment, ready to give you love, ready to give you everything that they have. They see you as their wish fulfillment, but you are holding back right now. You're not taking any kind of initiative or any kind of first step from your side. Okay, this is what is happening. Okay, let's pull three cards from this love oracle deck and let's see what is happening. Okay, healing heart. I told you, you are healing from something. There is something that you are uh, grieving for, or maybe you are not letting this person know. So you are, this is healing heart. You are healing from something, or if you are not healing, you should heal first before coming into relationship. Okay, so this is healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. This is kind of energy present for you guys. Okay, Scorpio. And the second card, let's pull the second card is, okay, wait, clock. Need time, takes time in time cycle, time to heal. Again this is time to heal. Again this is healing. Wow. Now the last and final card is breakup, separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment, abandonment. I'm feeling is because you have past issues of breakup and separation and abandonment. That is why you are holding back. That is why you are not revealing your true feelings. Although you are ready for this relationship, but you are holding back. This is what is happening, Scorpio. So Scorpio, I hope this will help you. I help you guys out to make some kind of good decision in your life and to give this person a chance without any if and but, because life is life and it will happen to you no matter what you do or what you don't do. Okay, Scorpio. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you, and do let me know in the comment section below if I can improve my readings in any way. Thank you so much for listening. Do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well. Thank you so much. Namaste. Love you.